but I have no gold back.
Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. You can't get that thing. You can't get that name.
Fuck. Oh my god, that other team just pushed up at the perfect fucking time. Like, how did that team live? How did they have the heals to live? That's what I want to know. We were literally just farming. The Newcastle team, the Bangalore team won. After all that.
Yeah, because that other team's dumb.
I shit on this guy. I actually hit him 175. No, how much did I hit him? What the heck is this? How is he still alive? Oh no, that was the last guy I killed. Never mind. Oh my god.
Yeah, that other team.
My flatline was going nutty.
That other team was farming for so long with all red shields and all that.
I know.
Just to
No, I genuinely
65
don't.
for second place.
I genuinely don't know how that Bangalore team lived after we knocked them over and over again.
Right.
Plus 82, baby. Positive is a positive. Okay, guys, sorry, I was not reading chat. Now you can tell me all the things you need to tell me. Let me catch up real quick. Okay. You know, everybody's just gambling. We love the gambling addicts in the chat. How come we can't find your points at the bottom left of your chat on the baby Yoda? She'll tell you how many points you have. And you can do exclamation mark points and it will tell you how many points you have. I was just getting shot in the front and on the side, and then I had to take a bat. And then I just let you die because I'm just batting. We go again. Hi Day, good morning. How are you? Oh, Gus, thank you for gifting 250,000 baby points to Marty. Marty, go crazy. Marty, you have 250,000 points to gamble. Don't gamble them all at the same time. Then you'll lose them all. Just do little by little and see, you know, test the waters a little bit. Aw, thank you, Chaotic. Aw, Chaotic said, good job, Mel and Sean. Aw.
I needed that.
How many people have redeemed the bathwater? None. The highest baby points anyone has is like 130, 150 now, I guess, something like that. They were cute and hard.
I think this kid's a wraith. I've seen him in anomalies.
I think we fought him before.
Yeah.